Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a filter that can work with your custom meta fields. So in this example, I wanted to have it where we have a checklist filter right here using JetSmartFilters. And then when you click on one of these options, if these posts have these meta fields attached to it, only filter out those different options. So to follow this tutorial, you will need JetEngine and JetSmartFilters. So let's just jump into the back end and show you how I have everything set up. The first thing you need to make sure you have set up is your meta boxes. So here I am underneath JetEngine and I have meta boxes selected. So I already have these right here called features. And as you can see, it's shown on post. So let me just jump into a post and show you how I have everything set up. So underneath each post, I just have this meta box right here called select features. And then this right here is going to be really important. We'll cover this later in the tutorial, but right here where it says name features, this is like your custom field right here. Then underneath here, I just have a bunch of different checkboxes the user can click, and then they can update it, and it's being saved to this post or listing. So let me jump back into the meta boxes and show you how I have that set up. And as you can see, here are the settings I have enabled already for these meta boxes. If you scroll down, I have this enabled for the post type of post. And then right down here is where I have all of the different meta boxes. And then if you look underneath the name ID, this is called features. So this is going to be the field that you need to copy to your clipboard, and we're going to be using this in JetSmartFilters. And then you can see right down here, I'm just using the field type checkbox, and then here are all the different features I can select. So we got the 1 bath, 2 bath, Wi-Fi, so you could put in whatever you need right here. And then that's it. Just make sure that you have your meta boxes all set up, and what you need to do is then go into each post and make sure that you have some of these options selected. So in this situation, I have all of these enabled. You know, they're going to be different for each post, but you can see right here, I have them enabled. Okay. Now we're going to jump over into JetSmartFilters and set up that filter. So let's go ahead and click Add New. And inside of here, we're just going to call it something like Features Checkbox. Now what we need to do is select the checkbox list right here. The data source is going to be custom fields. And then this right here is that word feature. So whatever you have, like I said, named inside your JetEngine meta box for that ID, you need to paste it into here. And then underneath the query variable down here, paste that in there as well. Then what you need to do is just switch on a few different options. So you do want to choose this right here where it says get choices from field data. So you need to make sure you click that. And then they give you the option to choose either from JetEngine and ACF. So in this situation, these are the meta boxes with JetEngine. So just click that. And then you also need to check this right here, is checkbox meta field. So what that's going to do, you can see right here, they give you some information about this. And that's it. So now what you can do is hit update. And now you have your JetSmartFilter set up. So now let's jump into the back end of that page and add that filter and link it over into our JetEngine listing item. And here we are on the back end of that page, and what you need to do now is just type in checkbox and pull in this widget right here called checkbox filter. So just slide that over here. Now what we need to do is search for the name of that checkbox. So in that situation, we called it features checkbox. And that's it. Once you do that, you're going to see it's going to automatically populate the options for the different meta boxes you already declared. And in this situation over here on the right side, I'm using the listing grid with JetEngine. So let's go back into here. And then this right here where it says this filters for, we just hit select. And in this situation, we just choose JetEngine. And then I like to keep the options at Ajax and apply on value change. And that's it. Once you hit update, now you go to the front end of this page, just kind of click around, make sure everything is working. And now we're on the front end of that page, and let's just go ahead and start clicking on some of these to make sure these options are going to change. So I click on Wi-Fi, and there's 4 posts that have Wi-Fi. You want to make sure you have a washer and dryer. You can see there's now an extra one. So these things seem to be working correctly. And that's it for this video tutorial on how to create a filter that can work with your custom meta fields inside JetEngine. Thank you for watching.